Hi everyone, it's Jess from Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to be making a really fun vacation themed drink with everybody. If you have ever been to Bermuda, you have probably heard of a rum swizzle. If you've cruised there, if you've gone there to have a vacation at a resort, you've definitely heard of it, if not partaken in one. It is the ultimate tropical, fruity vacation drink that you can grab there. It is also the national drink of Bermuda. So if you haven't had one yet, you definitely need to try one if you go to Bermuda. I suggest taking a cruise there or staying at one of the amazing resorts they have on the island. So let's take a look at some of the ingredients that we're gonna need for this rum swizzle.
The first thing that you're going to need is black rum, Gosling's preferred. Next up is gold rum. Again, Gosling's preferred, but any will do. Also grenadine, any brand. Next up is Angostura bitters. Also any brand of orange juice and pineapple juice. And lastly, some fresh ice.
So now that we know what we need to make the rum swizzle, let's just talk a little bit about the rum swizzle. So obviously, as you can tell, you need rum. This recipe I actually got from Gosling's, which is one of the most popular brands of rum in Bermuda. They make different flavors of rum. For this recipe, we're going to be using the black and the gold. If you've ever gone to Bermuda, you know you can actually purchase the rum there. They sell the Goslings in many, many stores. You can also purchase these on cruise ships if you're taking a cruise. And you can actually also get these at your local liquor stores. And Gosling's actually also makes ginger beer, which is really good for a dark and stormy if you've ever had one of those. It's Gosling's black rum and the ginger beer. So try one of those too, they're really yummy. So when you cruise to Bermuda, you actually port in the Royal Dockyard, which is an amazing, amazing port. It's full of history, awesome fortresses, old military fortresses. The governor's mansion sits up on a hill and it's gorgeous. It's very, it reminds me very much of like Pirates of the Caribbean, even though, you know, it's in Bermuda, but that's the feel that you get. There's cannons and it's just really, really cool. It's one of my most favorite ports. And as soon as you get off the ship, you know, you're going to be hit with rum swizzles and you have to partake and they're just delicious. So that's a little bit about the rum, but let's talk about why they call it a rum swizzle. Obviously we know there's rum in it, but the swizzle part is actually about how you make the rum swizzle. So today I'm going to actually be using a shaker, but you know, originally you would have a swizzle stick and you would swizzle the drink around with the swizzle stick, which would create like a frosty glass, which is why they call it a rum swizzle. I'm still gonna get that frosty, icy taste, but just a little bit different way. So let's get to it. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is pour some ice into your mixer. And you want enough ice that will fill the cup up, nice and frosty cold. Okay, so I've got my ice. So the first thing that I'm going to put in is the Gosling's black rum. And like I said, you can get this right at your local liquor store. So one big one. And make sure you put a towel down so you're not making a huge mess. And then I'm going to use the gold. The Gosling's gold. I just have it in a different bottle. I don't have much left. But you're going to put an equal amount of that in. Okay. Smells so good already. Okay. And then you're going to put some pineapple juice and orange juice. And really, I just eyeball it. So it's basically like, you know, how much you enjoy either one. And then orange. And then some grenadine. And I will provide the actual recipe at the end so that you can follow it by the book if you want to. And then for the bitters, it's really up to you taste. Don't go too heavy because, you know, a little bit goes a long way with bitters. So I just put like a few dashes on. Then I'm gonna close it up. And this is the part where you could use a swizzle stick. Or you could use just like a long spoon. And so as you can see, my shaker, it's already frosty. So just gonna shake that up, pop the top of the shaker off, and then I'm going to be putting it in this lovely cup, one of my favorite souvenirs. This is from the Bonefish Bar and Grill in Bermuda, which is right in the Royal Navy dockyard when you port on for your cruise. And it's one of the first bars and grills you'll see. There are so many shops and restaurants and bars, but this was just has a sentimental value to me. But I'm gonna pour it right in. And this is your rum swizzle. It is fruity and delicious and has just the right kick. Oh my God, I feel like I'm in Bermuda. So I will post the recipe right after the video so that you can try this, and we'd love to know how it came out and what you think about the rum swizzle. Thank you so much for watching.